Lowrider. Look at that camber. Woo! My pin keeps bending or disappearing. Oh hell no! Because that won't. No, I don't want to break the chimney. I mean, that Daihatsu might break in half, but I don't care about that. I don't want to break a fucking half shaft or something. It's fine. Okay, got the four-wheel drive to work. One of the hubs were a bit sticky. I got manual locking hubs, so I had to wax that a little bit, and it finally released. So I should have four-wheel drive. Also, the camera keeps shutting down because it's like 30 degrees today. Even with the power bank, it's still struggling. So I'm gonna be quick. Oh, it's still recording. Okay, putting it in the shades, the way to go. As I went around here, you could hear a click, and it finally went into four-wheel drive. The hub, it did do it when I was on it gently, so hopefully it didn't break anything. I need to get the hubs open and put some grease in them because I don't use them that often. They get a bit sticky and they don't release. It was fine then once the four-wheel drive was done. I was a bit worried of the chassis breaking in half because there's a big crack going down one side of it. Need to get it fixed, but good. I got a tiny bit of damage as well on my one remaining fender arch. Oh no, terrible. I need to find out where to get these. This is the only one I have. I used to have one on the other side as well, but I think Mum must have chucked it in the fire or something, because these make it look so much better. Yeah, they do come up every now and again, but they are pretty expensive, but they make the car look so much better. Yeah, there's the crack right there. Still need to get to finish all this stuff. and paint it over. Need a MIG welder, not a flux core, because it's a bit hard with a flux core. Yeah, I was just making room to put this caravan on the side for storage, for some horsey woman crap, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.